Yesterday, we just worked on
till 8th problem.
12.2. Yeah, 7 problems were finished.
Like,
Now, 9th problem.
yes.
Okay.
The angle of elevation of a jet plane
Mm.
from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees.
The angle of elevation of the jet plane.
Mm.
Plane is, okay, moving. Okay, here it is. Angle of elevation from a place. Okay.
Jet plane from a point A on the ground.
A, it is given, so you must take A.
60 degrees.
60 degrees. This is ground. 60 degrees. Okay. Next, what happened?
After a flight of 15 seconds,
15 seconds. What happened? It moved.
the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees.
Okay. It moved. From here to, it was gone here. Okay. But 15-second time only they have given.
Yes.
They did not give the distance or anything. But from here itself, again the angle of elevation is
30 degrees.
30 degrees.
If the jet plane is flying at a constant height of 1500 root 3.
Okay. 1500 root 3 height is given.
Meter, find the speed of the jet plane.
We need to find speed. Nice problem, no? How it is? Right. Okay. Next. A to A, B. Okay. Shall I put some names here? CD?
Yes.
CD. If so, here it is going to be A. They did not give anything, distance, all those things we have to find ourselves. Yes. They had given only angle of elevations given. Right. Here we can see two triangles are there. Right angle triangle. One is CEA. Let AE is the distance they had given itself actually. Let angle of given no actually given angle of elevation. A is 60 degrees. Angle A is equal to angle CAE is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, CAE is 60 degrees and height also given. From ground to the plane. Okay. That is C and E is equal to how much? 1500
root
3. And the one more thing also given. B to D also, that is also height. It moved constantly. But the same height is there too. That's why I am writing here itself. BD is equal to
1500
root 3. This is also height of the ground to the plane. Okay, that's why this is also 1500 root 3 and this is going to be 1500 root 3. In this, two triangles are there. And AE we don't know. EB also we don't know. Shall we find AE and EB first? Okay. First, to find AE, we have to take triangle CAE. Okay. Shall I erase information? Yes. Because the
first we need to find with respect to the triangle AEC.
Yeah. Yes. Very good. Having done with respect to ACA, you have to go for ADB. Okay. First, which triangle we are taking? AEC. From triangle AEC. AEC. 10, 60 or 30. What is there?
10, 60.
60. At the first First it was started from here. He looked up at the time. It made an angle of 60 degrees. So tan 60 is equal to opposite CE. Shall I write CE by AE? CE we know 1500 root 3 by AE. Tan 60 value
root
is equal to
1500
1500
root
by AE. Now AE is equal to
1500 root 3 by root 3.
by root 3.
1500.
1500. AE we got. How much it is going to? 1500 meters. Yeah. Now again we can do EB also. We have to find the speed actually. Okay,
Yes.
after distance and the time they had given. First we need to find distance. After that we'll see for the speed, all those things. AE we got. The other triangle is there. What it is? What it is of? Front triangle.
ABD.
ABD tan 30 degrees.
BD by AB.
BD by
AB.
AB. Okay, AB. BD. What is BD?
BD 1500 root 3.
1500 by AB.
AB.
Tan 30 value?
1 by
root 3. 1 by root 3, root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to 1500 root 3 by AB. That implies
AB.
cross multiplication. AB is equal to
1500 root 3 into 3.
1500 root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3? 3. 1500 into 3? 4500 meters. What is 4500 meters?
AB.
AB. A to B 4500. AB. We need EB. AE we know. What is AE?
1500.
AB is nothing but AE plus EB is equal to 4500. Now AE 1500 plus EB is equal to 4500. Now EB is equal to minus 1500.
3000.
What is EB?
3000.
3000. We need this one actually. Meters. Shall I erase this side? You got all the problem. Have you written total problem? Shall I erase this one also? Okay, let it be there. No worries. Nothing will happen. I am working here. EB we know. What is the EB?
EB 3000
is equal to 3000 meters we got. If EB is equal to 3000, then CD is equal to
same
distance. CD.
EB.
EB is equal to CD. That is equal to 3000 meters. Meters. We know the distance. What is this? This is nothing but distance. Distance given, that is 3000 meters. And time taken also given.
15 seconds.
Time taken. T. T is equal to
15 seconds.
15 seconds. What we need to find? Speed of the jet plane. Speed. Do you remember D is equal to ST. S means nothing but speed of the something, whatever it is. This T for time, D for distance. Distance is 3000. Speed we don't know, time we know. 3000 by 15 is equal to S. 200. Speed units. What are the units for speed?
Speed.
Yeah, this is
Meter.
distance in meters
Meters per second.
per
Second.
seconds. Time given in seconds. Over. Okay. Have you got? It is in big one. Actually, okay, complicated, but very easy. We can make it easy. From here, the man is looking 60 degrees here. One triangle is made. From this, we could find this distance, 1500. Okay. The other triangle, ABD is there. From that, we could get the AB. As we have known AE, so we could write this distance also. We have distance and time. Very easy to find the speed also. Any doubt? Now 10th one. Okay.
Yes.
Anyone can read it out, but one thing I want to say, you have to say the answer. I
Okay.
want this time.
Okay.
Always I am teaching, you are listening. If you say, I will write on the board. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, guys, start doing.
The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the foot of the building is 30 degrees.
And
the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 60 degrees.
how easy this is? One is building, the other one is tower.
Already we had done this type of problem, I think.
Yeah, already we had that. That's why I am saying.
What
one
is the
is-
ratio of height of the tower and building?
Just
Ratio.
they had also ratio. That's all. We have done already. Okay, this is building.
Yes.
This is tower. Tower should be taller than the building, as we know. Okay. Next,
Angle of elevation.
angle of elevation.
Top
from
of a tower from the foot of the building is 30.
foot of the building. Let it be building. This is tower. Building.
Okay. And the
Building.
top of
Foot
the
of
building from the foot
tower
of
is
the
60 degrees. Top of the tower, foot of the building.
top of the is 30.
30 degrees given. Okay, 30 degrees.
This is
And
60.
top of the building, foot of the tower
Tower.
is
60 degrees.
60 degrees. Okay. This is AB. This is
Already we had done
CD. But it was given something. Then what to find?
ratio of height of the tower and building.
No. This is, let it be H1. This is going to be H2. H1 is to H2. Tower is to building. We have to find. We do not know anything. AC also we don't know. Let, I am taking this one as X. Let. What to let? AB is
AB
building height.
height of the building.
Building. ఏంటది?
H
Sorry. ఏంటది? Height of the building. What it is? AB.
H2
AB is equal to H2 and height of the
tower.
tower.
ECD
CD is equal to
H1.
H1. H1. Okay. Next, what to find? Two triangles are there.
Yes.
Okay. Distance between A and C, tower and building.
Yes.
Distance
Between
tower and
building is X.
building is X. AC, no? That is, therefore AC is equal to
X.
X meters something. Okay.
Okay.
Now, two triangles we have.
Yes.
All the information we had written, I think so.
Yes.
We
You can
do
erase.
not have anything.
You can erase.
Okay. Angle, okay, one thing is there. Angle of elevation we need to write. Angle of
Angles of elevation.
elevation. Top of the tower,
To
foot of the building. Top of the tower, foot of the building.
foot of the building to top of the tower.
Okay. Foot of the building to top of the tower. I have written like this. Okay. It is better to write foot of the tower to elevation. No, that's why I am writing. Okay. Foot of the
Building to
building to top of
tower.
the tower. Foot of the
Is
building.
30.
Angle CAD is equal to 30 degrees. In the same way, angle of elevation from foot of the tower. Foot of the, first I had written foot of the building. Now I am writing foot of the tower to
top of the building.
Building
Is 60.
how much? 60 degrees. ACB. ACB is equal to 60 degrees. Once you just write it, I just erase. After that, we can solve the problem. Okay.
Yes.
Shall I erase?
Yes.
What we need to find? Meanwhile, just look at it. H1 is to H2. First, we need to find H1. To know the H1, to find the H1 from triangle
ACD.
ACD. Tan
30.
ACD. Tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to
CD by
CD by
AC.
CD is equal to
H1
by
X.
Okay. Tan 30. Next, the other triangle.
Tan 30 equal to tan 60.
Triangle ABC. You can just separate it to triangles also if you want.
Yes.
If you feel better to separate, this is going to be ACB 60 degrees you can write. This is H2 and the other triangle is tower 30 degrees CD. Very easy if it is like that. Now it is easy to say from triangle ABC. Can you say? Tan
60.
60 degrees. Tan 60 is equal to
AB by AC.
opposite by AB by AC.
H2
Which is
by
equal to H2 by
X.
This is number 1. This is okay. After writing the values, I will write. Okay. From this H1. Tan 30 value. What is tan 30 value?
1 by root 3.
Okay. 1 by root 3 is equal to H1 by X. That implies H1 is equal to X by
root 3.
root 3 over. Next, tan 60 is root 3. From here, I shall write root 3 is equal to H2 by X. That implies H2 is equal to
X root 3.
X root 3.
X equal to H2 by root 3.
X is equal, but we have to find H1 is to H2. We need to find H1 is to H2.
Okay.
The ratio. H1 and H2 means H1 is to H2 is equal to
X by
H1.
root
What is X by root 3? Is to
X root 3.
X root 3. If ratios are like that, how you can do you remember? Okay, I will let you know one method. It is easy to you, I think so. Okay. Ratio means nothing but dividing.
Yes.
That you know. Means H1 by H2 or H1 divided by H2. Whatever is. Here X by
root 3
is 2 means divided by
X root 3.
X root 3. Okay. I am writing here X by root 3
into 1 by X
X root 3. X gets a cancel. 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is nothing but H1 by
H2.
H2.
H1
Now,
is to
if
H2.
H1 is to H2 means H1
1 is to
instead of H1,
1
1
is to 3.
is to
3.
3. Got it? Shall I write again? H1 is to H2 is equal to 1 is to
3.
1. How easy? Simplification also. If you don't know, if you stuck somewhere else like that, means go for earlier what you have learned like that you can do. Okay?
Okay.
Got it?
Yes,
Shall I erase?
you can.
So far what we have learnt. This exercise actually, yeah, we are done. No? It's done. It's
The
over.
exercise
Completed.
finished. Completed.
Yeah, complete applications of trigonometry. We finished applications of trigonometry total. Applications. What we had? How to apply in real life.
Yes.
Okay,
Line
12.1,
of sight.
12.2, we have done lot, 12.1 and 12.2. We have been just solving lot of problems.
Yes.
Tower,
Angles
building,
of elevation.
angle of elevation and angle of
depression.
depression. And from
Line
our
of
eyesight
sight.
to,
Line of sight
yeah,
is
line
there.
of sight means what?
Line
We made
the-
from observer's eye and the observing the object. That is called,
but
yeah, that is called
line of sight.
sight. Okay, very good. Next, angle of elevation.
Angle
If you look upside, means if the level is horizontal, above the horizontal is called angle of elevation. Then we see upside. Then our head will be raised up. That okay, at that time. That is called angle of elevation. Angle of depression means when you just stand on the buildings, you see downside. That would be downside. Means it is not a horizontal line, will be below the horizontal line.
Okay.
Then you see down. Just that you have, at that time your head will be get down. Okay, got it? Angle of elevation and angle of depression. After that we worked on one triangle is given. Then also we could find two triangles.
Yes.
Two sides.
Heights.
Looking.
Heights, length.
Heights, yeah, lengths, all those things we could find.
Distance.
Applications, distance
from
from 15 seconds. They had given time.
Yes.
We could find speed.
Yes.
How we could do it? Related to distance. After finding the distance based on angle. And some problems we had found the angles also.
Yes.
Because just they had given complementary. We could
Yes.
find the x 90 minus x. After that depends on the distance and the height, we could find the angles also. Okay, if we had known angles, we could find the heights or distance. And if it is given heights or distance, we could find the angles. These all are based on trigonometric ratios we had done. Applications of trigonometry. Okay, I think you understood well. And okay.